Okay, this video is for all my tea drinkers, my smokers, my coffee drinkers, my wine drinkers, those who have had staining on your teeth from tetracycline, all of you who have wanted those pearly white teeth but have not been able to get them. I've been there right with you. And actually doing this video is making me a little bit vulnerable because I've been self-conscious about my teeth for a very long time. And now all of you are looking at my teeth, which is something that I try not to show. But I'm letting myself be a little vulnerable because I try a lot of things to try to get my teeth to look whiter. I've tried going to the office, I've tried kits and strips and all of those things, and none of them have worked. I don't smile in pictures, I try not to open my mouth wide. It's a big old thing. But Bixdo, this company that I'm about to tell you about in this video, they have an electric toothbrush that is artificial intelligence driven, and it has whitening, and it has moved the needle on my teeth. It can reduce stains up to 21 shades in 14 days, and I've been using it for those 14 days, and although my teeth are not pearly white right now, they have reduced by the 21 shades. It has made such a big difference. So I'm not done. I'm going to continue on this journey. I'm going to take you to the past, and we're going to show you the beginning of the journey all the way to the end of the journey. But before I do that, I'm going to get right to the point, and I'm going to pop up the before and afters. Now, when you look at my before and afters, focus on the fact that the shade difference is tremendous. They still might not be as white as some people's, but I have been a coffee drinker ever since I was in nursing school, which I'm 54 now, and I was 17 when I started nursing school. So we're talking about a lot of years. When I didn't have money to eat, I'd drink coffee because it was free on the maternity floor. And I've had tetracycline, and I drink coffee all day long. It's not unusual for me to have 4, 5, 6 cups of coffee. So my staining is severe, but it has made a noticeable difference. And if you have less staining than me, your results are even going to be more dramatic. And the best thing is that it does not cause your teeth to be sensitive. So the strips that I tried would cause my teeth to be very sensitive. When I had this done in the dentist's office, it was much more expensive, and it made my teeth hurt. It was very sensitive. So this process has no sensitivity. If this sounds interesting, stick with me. I'm about to show you how you can have whiter teeth in 14 days, and it's not a gimmick.
I wonder what she hides under her disguise.
So I'm Mona, I'm 54 from South Louisiana, and I usually bring you content related to beauty or skincare, but sometimes I do cover lifestyle on this channel. And I want to be transparent. Bixdo reached out to me and offered to send me this kit for free to review. I hope you don't mind that, because I really think that this is a good product, and I wanted the product. I did. I wanted to try and see if I could lighten the stains and get a brighter smile. I'm already trying to work with an orthodontist to see if we can't shift these lower teeth. That's a whole nother struggle. People have asked me why, I don't just get braces or fix the missing tooth. I don't have a missing tooth. My teeth have shifted and left a little gap, and that makes it look like one of my teeth are missing, but it's not a big enough space to put an implant, because it's not an actual missing tooth. It's that all of these teeth are now crooked at the bottom. I'm not a candidate for braces, they say, because my top jaw doesn't go over my bottom teeth enough, and it will hit the brackets on the lower braces. So I'm looking into some alternate options. So Bixdo reached out to me with their Bixdo Blue Light Whitening LED Electric Toothbrush W60. I looked down and read it because it's such a long name. Bixdo is a brand that works with hospitals, they work with dentist office, dental clinics, dental schools, and they offer professional grade products. This is just one of them. But now they're offering this at home. So you've all probably seen an electric toothbrush. I know I've seen an electric toothbrush. What makes this different is that it is an electric AI toothbrush. And it not only gives you superior cleaning because it's electric and it can get to all those angles and it's more powerful, you have different modes, but it actually gives you blue light therapy at the same time. So the same time that you're brushing your teeth, you're whitening your teeth. So I can adjust the modes for this. There's 4. There's white, soft, fast, and deep. In fact, my last dental visit, my dentist told me that my teeth were so much cleaner and asked me what I was doing. True story. And it's because this helps make sure that you're doing it right. It will tell you, with this little frame right here, it'll tell you if you're adequately cleaning your teeth. it will tell you, oh, 78% of your top is done, 78% of your bottom, or 68, or it'll say ND, like not sufficient, right? You need to go back and finish cleaning some more. So it's foolproof in making sure that you get your teeth clean enough if you follow the visual cues on the device. So if I stop it right now, it's saying NE, like this is not efficient enough. But that's because I didn't actually brush my teeth. And then if I brush it for a long time or a semi-long time, it's going to give me the percentage of surfaces that I've covered and tell me what to do to go back and cover that. But what I'm looking at is the whitening aspect. Look at this blue light. Look how bright it is. You use this blue light with the toothpaste that they provide, which is an oxygenating toothpaste that helps remove stains by itself. And then you combine it with the blue light and you're getting powerful whitening while you're brushing your teeth. So I think that's pretty cool. What comes in the box for your $199, which is what this costs? So you get the toothbrush, you get a little cover for your toothbrush head so that you can keep it sanitary in your bathroom. You wouldn't imagine all the germs that you get in your bathroom. You get an extra toothbrush head and you get the toothpaste. Their toothpaste tube is a specific formula, which I'm going to tell you about later in the video, and it can last for about 45 days. And you get a shade card so that you can see the difference in how your shade reduces over time. So I'm going to get into the demo. I'm going to show you me using this device. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the device and why I love it so much. And then we're going to come back and talk about my final thoughts. With this device, your teeth can be 21 shades whiter within 2 weeks. Unlike other whitening tools, this brush can cover all the angles while you're brushing on your teeth to achieve 360-degree whitening. Other things like trays and strips don't get all the angles on your teeth. This even gets white in between your teeth. By using Perlon filaments with brilliant light transmittance, this toothbrush can deliver 4 times the light energy to teeth and increase the power of the blue light whitening. The active oxygen whitening toothpaste that I'm using, this delivers 2.27 times the whitening power, and the unique PAP whitening ingredients can accurately break down stains. It's very effective. So with the toothbrush, you have 4 modes: white, fast, deep, soft. This is an AI toothbrush, an AI electric toothbrush. It indicates areas that require additional brushing. It'll tell me like I have just done 74% or I've done 48%. And I charged this one time and I've been using it for 3 weeks now and have not had to recharge it. You have up to 180 days long battery life with one charge. And it's waterproof, so I can rinse it off, add more toothpaste, and it's not going to affect the performance of the brush, and you can use it in the shower. Okay, so you saw me using the device. You saw how bright that blue light was. The toothpaste is minty and wonderful. So the things that I've noticed is that immediately after I drink coffee, if I go in and use this brush and just brush it off, it breaks up that coffee immediately. And if I do it again at night, of course, over time, I'm getting the whitening. I was getting the whitening just with the toothpaste. So now that I'm using the blue light, I'm definitely seeing shades reduced. With the $400 treatment that I got at my dentist, it reduced my shades by 2. That was the best they could do.
Yeah, I cannot chase you.
I know that this is a product that I'm going to keep using. And I'm going to keep using it also because I love how clean my teeth are getting. My dentist even said when I just went to my regularly scheduled cleaning, the hygienist didn't have to hardly do anything. She was like, it was the quickest cleaning I've had in so long, because this is making sure that it's clean. I'm getting all the angles to get it white. It can go in the shower with me. I've charged it one time. It's got a very long charge. So you only have to charge this a couple of times a year. So you have your mode button, and you have your power button, and you have your smart screen. So you can take the mode button and you can adjust from fast to deep to soft to white, and then you have the power button. So you hold it down for 3 seconds to activate, and then you can pause it with a quick button and go back on. Now the other unique feature about this is how I think I'm getting such great cleaning, is that because it's an AI device, it's not only telling you, whoops, I didn't mean to hit that, It's not only telling you the percentage of clean that you got, but it also lights up red if you're going too fast or you're not doing efficient cleaning. And you can easily see it while you're doing it. So if I'm going too fast, you're gonna see when you have the blue light at the bottom, that means everything is good. When you get that red light, that means I was going too fast. I need to slow down with my cleaning. So blue means good. And then see how I start to go fast? It's gonna turn red. It's telling me I'm going too fast. So I have a visual indicator when I'm in front of the mirror, if I need to slow down, if I need to speed up, and it's gonna tell me if I need to brush some more or if my brushing is complete. This is amazing, and it is whitening my teeth. So yeah, I think this is kind of an amazing game changer for me. And if you suffer with the same issues that I do, then it might be a game changer for you. So I hope that this was something that you didn't mind. Hope you didn't mind hearing about a lifestyle product that I feel like is helping me build my self-confidence back. I am going to come back in one of my faves and fails videos, and I'm going to do a follow-up. I'm impressed with what I see so far. They feel clean. It's a pleasure to use, and I appreciate Bixdo for sending this to me very much. We don't get a lot of perks as small creators. We don't get a lot of PR from makeup brands or brands that we, are really excited about, and this was something I didn't know existed. I didn't know they had an AI blue light toothbrush that would whiten your teeth while you cleaned it, and I'm excited. So check out the link below for Bixdo's electric whitening toothbrush if you're interested, and let me know in the comments if you have these same insecurities, if you found anything that works, what's your best advice? I mean, besides giving up coffee or tea. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
You'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's not